Okay, what are you saying, people, and welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel. So today, guys, we'll be talking about Forex market cycles. Now, sometimes the market can be a little bit confusing sometimes and difficult to know what's exactly happening when and where, but using Forex market cycles and understanding how they work and applying them to the market can make things very, very simple, understanding what's just happened, what's happening now, and what potentially could be happening next. So we'll be breaking down the three major Forex cycles, which you will see on my screen in a second, and also applying it to the live markets, and also a little bonus trade opportunity that could be coming up on NZDCAD using these Forex market cycles to understand what is happening with that pair. So hopefully you find this video useful, but besides from that, guys, let's get straight into it. Okay, guys, so welcome to the chart. So first things first, three market cycles. We've got trending, we've got retracement, and we've got consolidation. So for a trending market, typically I don't really want to be trading this phase of the market. I already want to be in the move, not jumping onto that moving train. If the market's heavily falling or pushing to the upside, I already want to be in that move. And if I'm not, I'm waiting for retracement, which is the next phase we'll get into in a second. What some people like to do when we've got heavy moves to the downside or to the upside in the market is really trending, is to try and take advantage of the retracement. So try and buy at the lows or sell at the highs, taking advantage of a retracement they're expecting to happen, which typically is not really what I'm looking for in the market. I want to be trading these trending moves from the start. So if the market is trending like this, I already want to be in the move, and if I'm not, I'm waiting for the next phase, which is retracement. Now retracement, as you can see, you've got the trend. So this is the bearish example, by the way. So you've got the trend, and now the market is moving in the opposite direction of the trend, which is called our retracement. So the market is still bearish, the market is still pushing to the downside, but now we're getting a correction, a breather of that bearish momentum. Now we're still expecting the market to roll over. So typically speaking, these are the times where I'm looking to enter my trades, when the market is retracing, having a bit of a breather from the bearish move or bullish move. Doesn't really matter, but in this case a bearish move. So I'm looking to get involved in this retracement here to short the market back down and continue the trend. So in this kind of phase here, I'm looking for patterns, looking for key levels, looking for candlesticks to identify me when the trend is about to continue and the retracement is over. And last, we've got consolidation. Typically speaking, I don't really trade in consolidation. I would look for the breaks and retest, very, very good and powerful trading patterns. But typically speaking, inside the range, I tend to stay back. But hey, if you want to trade inside the range, there is profit to be made. Selling at the highs, buying at the lows, take advantage of that range, waiting for the breakout, and then still can take advantage of that break and retest as well. And in a consolidation, typically speaking, not really trying to anticipate which way price could break out. Obviously you can do that, but leave it 50-50, wait for the breakout, wait for the retest, then get involved after that. So these are three market phases I'm looking out for the market, and just simplifies everything down. I want to jump onto the live markets now and explain how we use these concepts in the live markets. Okay, so now I'm going to take a look at EURUSD. So again, this one has been trending to the downside for quite a while, as a lot of you may know, but we're just going to break this down using the cycles that we've just gone over, because sometimes looking at the bear market like this can be a little bit confusing. Don't know what's going to happen next, what the markets are doing. When we can identify those cycles, we know exactly what's going to happen next. If the market's trending, either the market's going to retrace next, or it's going to consolidate. If the market's consolidating, it's going to keep consolidating until it eventually breaks out. So we've got, what potentially could happen next, and we can take advantage of that. So you can see this market has been trending to the downside here ever since these highs. And if we just look at the market phases, at the moves the market's taking, you can see what we have here. We've got a nice trending market, retracement, lower high, trending, retracement, lower high, trending, retracement, equal highs, trending. Then here we've got consolidation. Let me just make that darker for you guys so you can actually see it. We've got the consolidation there, so we've got the trend to consolidation, waiting for the breakout, more trending. Then we've got even bigger consolidation here, or slash retracement. You can identify that as retracement as well, but since the market has formed some equal lows and equal highs, I identified that as consolidation. Then we broke out, trending, retracement, came back to retest the consolidation. Then we got some more trending. Then we got a bit of consolidation here, another retracement, consolidation, and again trending phase as well. So what next for EURUSD, taking this into consideration? We've got the consolidation here, which the market didn't have that retest of. So if you can come back, retest that area, we could expect to see some more trending. Just continue to the downside, taking out these lows. And if the market, say for example, comes back up to this area and takes out the consolidation and sees some new highs, then possibly we can have a reversal, and then we expect a retracement phase and the retracement cycle, and then we'll look for our next trending move to the upside. So again, simple analysis, just simply analyzing the cycles, getting ready for that next move. So hopefully we can see some retracement for this one, retest that consolidation, and then expecting another trending phase back down to the lows. Got another example on AUDUSD, then I'll go over NZDCAD as well, because I do have a good example for this one, and a trade possibly that could be coming up soon for NZDCAD. But for AUDUSD, again, just going to break down this market. Again, this one has been trading to the downside, similar to EURUSD, both dollar pairs, but AUDUSD has been a little bit more corrective than Euro. But as you can see here, from the start of 2021, market has been consolidating after a strong trend to the upside. Then we got a trend push to the downside, so the market reversed from this area using that consolidation. We had the trend move. We have the trend phase here, retracement to retest, another trend. Then we had consolidation over here. Then we had another trend move to the downside. Now we had a bit more of a complex retracement. We had a 1 and a 2, and then the trend. Most of the time we do see that push, then the push and the pullback. But this time we had 2 attempts to try and go bullish here, and then we had our trend phase. And here we had some consolidation here. Double bottom there, double top there, and we broke to the upside, giving us some more retracement back into the prior swing highs there, forming that lower high. Then again another trending phase to the downside, retracement, trending phase, retracement, trending phase back into the support here. So again, what next for USD? We're still expecting some more retracement, and then again another trending phase. As long as we don't take out these highs, we're still bearish on the pair. Reason being, structure still holding, still anticipating another retracement phase and then more downside. If we go and take out these areas here, that will show us that potentially the market is reversing, and we could be seeing the market trend to the upside. In that case, wait for a retracement phase and then get back into that trending phase again. And I do have videos on market reversals. I'll leave that linked in the description if you want to find out how to spot reversals early. And lastly, NZDCAD, which is a pair that I'm personally looking at for some sell opportunities, because again, some really nice market cycles happening for this one. But as you can see, not the cleanest pair in the world, does consolidate a little bit more than other pairs. As you can see, a lot of consolidation here, nice trending move, more consolidation up there, broke to the downside, nice trending move here, retracement to retest, another trending move, then again some more consolidation, and we broke to the upside, bit of a fake out of the consolidation, because you can see we crept back in, retested the highs of the consolidation. Then here we got another big trending move, then a bigger retracement, and the market consolidates at the top of that retracement. Then here another big trending move to the downside. So now focusing on this price action here, we've got a nice trending move to the downside, retracement, trending move, retracement. Now I'm personally looking for a lower high to form here for NZDCAD. So we tested this trend line 1, 2, I'm looking for a third time, looking for that next lower high for another trending move to the downside. So basically, as long as we stay below that trend line, I'm still bearish on NZDCAD. If we, for some reason, we break through that trend line, break through those highs, and at that point, again, potentially reversal could be on the cards. Wait for our retracement phase, and then we look for that trending phase for the reversal, probably for a break and retest of that level there potentially. We'll have to find out if something like that does happen, but as of right now, still got the trend, retracement, cycles happening here. So again, still looking to take advantage of that until the market breaks through structure. So we'll be looking for sells here. Again, this is the daily time frame. I'll drop to the 4H hourly, see what type of candlesticks we can get in this area. Looking for the lower high to form, and if I get my signals, we'll be looking for sells to take advantage of that trending phase back down to the lows here at 0.08400. So again, keep an eye on NZDCAD. Don't have to trade it or anything, but again, just keep an eye out, see how the market moves for the cycles. Same for USD and same for Euro as well. But yeah, guys, just a quick video breaking down the cycles. I hope that made sense. If not, please leave some questions or comments down in the comment section. I will get back to you if you want me to explain anything in a little bit more detail or didn't understand anything. But I hope you found this video useful and enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy it, found it useful, drop a like on the video, guys. It does really help the channel out. Subscribe, hit the bell, also share, guys. You know, let's try and grow the channel together and grow the community together. But I do really appreciate all the kind comments and all the kind messages you leave on the channel. Really do appreciate those, guys. But yeah, I hope you have enjoyed the video, and I will catch you in the next one.